According to a recent Deloitte study, 82% of manufacturers can't grow their top-line revenue. Why? Can't find enough people. The labor shortage is likely to increase. What makes me say that? There are currently 858,000 unfilled manufacturing jobs. By 2030, that number is slated to be 2.1 million. How do you think that labor shortage is going to impact wages? If you're having trouble filling jobs, consider using a robot to tend your CNC machine and redeploy that machine operator into another role. That machine operator will be happier in their new role and will likely contribute more value to your company. Why will they be happier? No one grows up wanting to tend a CNC machine. To discover more about how machine tending robots can help your machine shop thrive, call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to talk with a human. RoboJob USA, first in CNC automation.